Today's session, Bhavin, please put your microphone on mute. Bhavin, please put your microphone on mute. Please, put yourself on mute, all of you, and we will just start this discussion. You all can see my screen, right? Now, I hope everyone can see my screen. Okay. So I'll just tell you what exactly we are going to discuss here. First thing which we are going to talk about in today's session is the Salesforce basics. So I'm not just going to talk about Salesforce basics. I am also going to talk about the CRM thing, and we are also going to talk about cloud computing. So this is what we're going to talk in this session. After that, I will tell you a little about the roles that are there in Salesforce, the certifications which are there, and I'll give you a brief of the training program that we do. So how, what kind of a training program we conduct, how is it going to be helpful to you and all, right? So those details will be provided, and after that I'll just keep it open for you for your questions. So I know that you guys might have a lot of questions that you want to ask, things which you want to understand. And I completely, encourage you to ask as many questions as possible, so that once you leave this session, you have answer to all the questions, right? And you should not have any, further doubts in mind whether to, do the course, or which one shall I do, what role will be good for me and all. So these are the things that will be, that should be answered. All these questions should be answered by the end of the session. So don't take this session as, don't take it as a demo session, or don't take it as just for the sake of attending you're attending. This next 40 minutes, 45 minutes, whatever we are going to spend are going to be very useful in terms of you making a career into Salesforce. So from that point it is going to be very helpful. For people who are not aware of this, let me tell you again that I have muted all of you. Please do not unmute yourself. In case you have a question, please type it in the chat window. I will unmute you at that point of time, right? Otherwise, we will have a lot of noise. Okay. So that is the thing. So people who have, who I have muted from my side, please don't unmute yourself. Okay. So let us start talking about what is CRM. First question that I would want to ask, or I would want to discuss is what is CRM. So what do you think? What is a CRM? I want Dinesh to answer that. Dinesh, can you tell us what is CRM?
Yeah, Jit. I don't know much about CRM. I heard like CRM is nothing but customer relationship management.
Okay.
Wherein we are going to maintain all the customer related activities in our database. I mean, we are going to maintain all the details in our system. Like for example, suppose we have any kind of product, so that we are going to suppose we are going to give that product to any customer. So that time we are going to take all the details of the customer, like what is the customer ID or something, whatever the related details to the customer we are going to take, and we are keep it in our database. So suppose if we are going to sell the product to the customer, and that time we are going to produce sales order. Yep.
Nice. Very nice description. A little detailed description. So yeah. So as Dinesh said, I mean, correct. Mute. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. So as Dinesh correctly said, CRM is customer relationship management, right? And other thing that he said, customer information, the other terminology that he used. Okay, so customer relationship management is what we talk about, right? CRM thing. Okay. So customer relationship management basically is the terminology. Now, what do you think exactly a CRM is? Right. So CRM is basically the application or a tool, right, which helps a business maintain all the data of the customer in one centralized place, so that they can maintain good relationship with customers, right? So that is what we have to understand. What is CRM? A tool or an application which holds all information, all valuable information related to the customer. Okay. Now, why is it called customer relationship management? Because this information that is stored in a centralized manner helps any business maintain good relationship with customer. Now, the next question that comes to mind is, how can an application or how can a tool help me maintain good relationship with customer? The logic is very simple. If you do not have correct information, if you do not have complete information of your customers, then you cannot have proper relationship with the customer. Think of it. Let's say you purchase a product. Let's say you buy something on EMIs. Okay, your EMI is set for rupees 5,000. Next month, when you go to that business for paying the EMI, they say your EMI is 8,000. And you all of a sudden start feeling that, oh, how come it is 8,000? So these mistakes can happen if they are not maintaining your information correctly, right? So that sort of thing. So CRM is a place where all the information is maintained in such a way that whenever required, this information can be retrieved and customers can be helped or assisted with that information, right? So that is one thing. So we have understood by now what is CRM or what is customer relationship management. Now, what is the next thing that we'll have to understand here? So in a way, we are talking about a lot of data being stored in CRM. So whenever we are talking about CRM, we are talking about data, right? Information of the customer can be the phone number of the customer, email ID of the customer, the payments that he has made, the balance payment that he has to make, and so many things. There are so many things which we have to talk about the data side of the customer relationship management, right? So Now